might have heard about this little thing called TikTok Live. And if that is your jam, I want to level you up. I want you to go live with more than just your phone, because using TikTok Live Studio and Ecamm, you can have a really excellent show that is definitely going to stand out on the feed. Especially if you've already invested in getting the nice camera, the nice lighting, the nice audio. You don't need to be just going live from your phone, the raw webcam, or just, I want better for you. I want you to make good choices, and you're going to make good choices. We're going to use TikTok Studio, the desktop app, for going live onto TikTok. You'll see that you can select any of your cameras as the input, but I want you to have a little bit more control than that. Say you want to send the same live stream over to any of the other social media platforms. If you use Ecamm Virtual Camera, it is much easier to manage that, so you don't have to rebuild it every time. Using Ecamm Virtual Camera is going to be the superpowers you didn't know you needed, because you can switch your scenes, you can switch your cameras, you can change the graphics, you can bring in a guest. You can do so much to make a professional, beautiful live stream that will stand out. It will look different than what other people are doing. And then you can frame it the way that you want. I do want you to keep in mind the type of behavior on a TikTok live stream, on a social media live stream. People will drop in midstream with zero context, so you may need to reintroduce yourself over and over again. You may need to say what you're doing over and over again. I know it feels weird. This is what you need to do if you are going to treat the TikTok Live as a TikTok Live. Now, if you're just producing a show and putting it on there and it happens to be live, that's your choice. Just know the expectations on TikTok Live is that you are going to talk to them. And you'll want to keep TikTok Studio open, because that is where you're going to be able to see your comments. And also remember the safe zones. TikTok puts its own user interface, like the buttons and the chats, over your video. So when you design your vertical live stream in Ecamm, just make sure anything important is not hidden below the things that TikTok is going to lay on top of it. And that's where, personally for me, when I'm going to go live using Ecamm into TikTok, I still want to keep it fairly simple, but I do like using my nice camera, because people are like, wait, how are you doing that? On TikTok, most the visual bar is pretty low. Not abysmal. People are starting to get better. But because most people are used to seeing what the TikTok Live looks like from their phone, when you show up with a fully produced professional setup, nice lighting, nice camera, when everyone else's looks like, you're definitely going to stand out. And I want you to stand out, because you're amazing. And remember, your Ecamm Virtual Camera that you are using as your feed into TikTok, you can also bring that into other places as well. So you want to know more about using Virtual Camera, about live streaming using Ecamm to TikTok, do let us know in the comments. And if you have yet to try Ecamm, then make sure you click the link in the description and let us know how it goes. We're here for you, and I'm so excited.